Hey guys, so today I just want to do a quick overview of this new bamboo fencing that we installed in our backyard. The process actually isn't as hard as you'd think. Dig a couple holes for your post and get those cemented in, and then screw in your 2x4s to the post so the bamboo has something to be mounted to. Make sure you have two sets of 2x4s, one on the top and one on the bottom of your posts. For more support, make sure to toenail in the 2x4s at the top, which we also did, and I'd highly recommend. Roll out your bamboo fence, in our case 3/4 of an inch diameter by 6 feet tall, across the yard and mount to your 2x4s. Be sure to keep the cap side of the rolled bamboo up, as manufacturers cap one end to help protect the inside of the bamboo from rapid deterioration from the elements. There's a couple reasons why we installed a bamboo fence. One, we didn't feel like our neighbor's side of the house as our fence was proper. And two, we have dogs and we didn't want them damaging our neighbor's siding, which they've done in the past. The bamboo fence also makes our yard feel like an actual yard, where we have the privacy we're looking for and where our dogs can hang out and play. Hope you found this overview helpful, and I definitely recommend setting up a bamboo fence if you're looking for a simple way to add privacy to your home.